Experiments that involve fruit trees flowerings are usually limited to springtime. With these methodologies, researchers will be able to control and design when to obtain the flowers to work with. It is a clear and easy technique that allows to obtain flowers from young mandarins at any time of the year. Researchers can control dates and flower intensity. This technique can be used not only for mandarin trees, but also for other citrus trees as lemons or grapefruits, and other fruit trees.
To prepare, use a growth chamber measuring length of 1.85 meters, width of 1.85 meters, and height of 2.5 meters, with a total volume of 8.56 cubic meters. Check if regulations such as temperature for day and night, photoperiod, light intensity, and minimum relative humidity are available. Obtain the plant material from registered nurseries with a virus-free certification. For example, 6 mandarin trees cultivars Clemenules and 6 mandarin trees cultivars Nova. Mandarin trees can be young, for example, 1 or 2 year old varieties grafted onto rootstocks. Use appropriate pots, such as a plastic pot with diameter of 22 centimeters and height of 20 centimeters. And prepare 5 liters of standard substrate based on 50% of high-quality white peat and 50% of coconut fiber. Irrigate the plants for the first time as soon as they arrive from the nursery to standardize moisture content. Water by immersion.